And welcome back to the WHHI Daily News. With us now is Stephen Combs. As you know, he's the Public Information Officer for the Bluffton Township Fire District. Each year, the Firefighting Cooking Team, or the Firefighter Cooking Team, organizes a fundraiser to support a local responder family or families that are experiencing financial hardships due to a health issue. And we're going to talk about two families that will be supported through this fundraiser. Stephen, it's great to have you with us. It is called the annual Boston Butt Fundraiser.
That's correct.
And so people buy the Boston Butt, and actually the deadline is this Friday, which is December the 6th. And
Right.
then the delivery is on December the 13th. So how many
Correct.
years have you all been doing this?
You know, I asked that question, and there's been some breaks in the time since it started and when we've done it, based upon the cooking team cycling through and some of the changes in our organization. But I know the last couple of years has been a resounding success. We were able to support a little girl last year, Revel, and it was just a great time. It's awesome to see the community rally around these people. And this year we'll be sponsoring two families.
Right.
So hopefully we'll get just a great turnout to help support these people.
All right, and so the goal is 250 Boston Butts, and you're already at 140, so about 100 more, but you said a lot of folks will make their purchase toward the end of the week, so we want everyone to do that. And I want to hear a little bit more, we want to hear a little bit more about the two families that the foundation is going to support this year.
Of course. So the first family, it's a little boy. His name is Trevor. He was born with or diagnosed with a food protein induced Enterocolitis syndrome. And basically his body doesn't process protein properly. So he's 3 months old at the time he was diagnosed, and they're still working on trying to provide him with the appropriate treatment. So he's 2 years old now, and he's been hospitalized 3 times, had several surgeries. And so he'll be one of the recipients of some of those funds to help offset some of the medical costs.
Okay.
The second one is a young lady by the name of Brianna. She's 23 years old, graduated from May River High School, so she's local. Both of these individuals are local family related to our first responder community. And she was recently diagnosed with lymphoblastic leukemia. So
Okay.
leukemia. And so 9 months she's been going through chemotherapy treatment and racking up medical bills. So we're really hoping to be able to help both these families.
What a wonderful fundraiser. And again, it's being put on by the Bluffton Firefighter Foundation. So
Right.
how is that connected with you all?
So the Bluffton Firefighter Foundation supports all of the operations to provide different support mechanisms for our firefighters. And they are, a lot of them are family, friends, relatives of firefighters or former firefighters from the fire district. So there's a real strong connection there.
Okay, very good. So let's go over. So the Boston Butts are 6 to 7 pounds, and you go
Right.
online and you order, and this Friday, the 6th of December, is the deadline. And then how much, and then where do you pick them up?
Right. So they're $45, and that's for about a 7-pound smoked Boston butt. People are like, what is a Boston butt?
Yeah, what is a Boston Butt?
Yeah, we get that question.
It's
So
pork.
essentially it's the pork shoulder,
Right.
which is a real tender part of the meat. And it's often used for pulled pork sandwiches and
Right.
things of that nature.
Right,
So it's a
yummy.
real tender cut of meat, and
Right.
it'll be smoked. So it's fully cooked. And then folks can pick those up on Friday, the 13th, from 3 to 8 p.m. at our training and maintenance facility on Ulmer Road.
Very good. Is this your largest fundraiser for the foundation?
It generally is. We do a pancake fundraiser, we do a chili cook-off, but this one always is the largest.
Well, again, so go to the website and buy your Boston Butt. We've got about 100 left, so we want folks to support these two families that are in need. Thank you so much, Stephen, for your service and all of the firefighters with the Bluffton Township Fire
Thank you
District.
again.
Thanks, Stephen. Happy holidays to you.
Thank you.